How to fix confirm your identity to send messages on Messenger. Certain actions have been restricted. You open Messenger, try to send a message, and suddenly you're hit with confirm your identity to send messages, and certain actions have been restricted. Your DMs are locked and you have no idea why. Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through exactly what causes this and every official fix step by step. Welcome back, I'm Daniel, and today we're solving this frustrating Messenger error completely. Let's get straight into it. First, why does this happen? Facebook and Messenger flag accounts when they detect unusual activity. This could be sending too many messages in a short period, logging in from a new device or location, or activity that their system considers suspicious. It is a security measure to protect you and others from spam and fake accounts. It does not mean your account is permanently banned. Now let's fix it. Step 1. Complete the video selfie verification. When you see the error, Messenger will show you a prompt saying confirm your identity with a video selfie. Open the Messenger app on your phone, tap on the prompt and select Start Selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions and record a short video of your face. Make sure you are in a well-lit area so your face is clearly visible. After a successful submission, the restriction is automatically lifted. Step 2. If the video selfie is not loading or not working, the first thing to try is updating your profile picture on Facebook. Open the Facebook app, go to your profile, tap your profile picture and update it with a clear recent photo of yourself. Then go back to Messenger and try the identity confirmation prompt again. A clear profile photo helps Facebook system verify that your account belongs to a real person. Step 3. Try a different device. If the selfie option is not loading on your phone, open Messenger on a tablet or log into Messenger on a computer through messenger.com. The verification prompt sometimes loads correctly on a different device even when it fails on your main phone. Step 4. Clear the Messenger app cache. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, find Messenger, tap Storage and hit Clear Cache. Then reopen Messenger and try the verification again. Step 5. Update the Messenger app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check if there is a pending update for Messenger. An outdated app version can cause the selfie verification screen to freeze or fail to load properly. Step 6. Check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa before attempting the selfie verification. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons the verification screen fails to load. Step 7. If none of the above steps work, go to Facebook's official help center and report the issue directly. Explain that you are unable to complete the identity verification and that your messaging has been restricted. Facebook typically reviews and resolves these cases within 24 to 48 hours. Pro tip to avoid this error happening again in the future: avoid sending the same message to multiple people in a short period of time, as Facebook system flags this as spam behavior. Also, make sure your Facebook profile has your real name, a clear profile photo, and is fully filled out. Accounts that look complete and genuine are far less likely to get flagged for identity verification. So to recap, complete the video selfie when prompted, update your profile picture, try a different device, clear your cache, update the app, check your connection, and contact Facebook support if all else fails. Follow those steps in order and your Messenger DMs will be back to normal. If this video helped you out today, hit that like button and subscribe for more Messenger and Facebook fixes every week. Still having trouble after trying all these steps? Drop your device model in the comments and I will do my best to help. It's been Daniel, see you in the next one.